Wait, before you start using Notion AI, stop for a sec. Think it's gonna write your essays and plan your life? Well, not exactly. Let's talk about what actually works and what's just hype. So here's the deal. Notion AI lives inside your Notion workspace, right? You make a page, you ask it to write text, summarize notes, or brainstorm ideas. And honestly, for small stuff, it's super handy. Like need a quick outline for a project? Boom. But if you're expecting it to churn out perfect essays or a full marketing plan, you're gonna be disappointed. I checked what people are saying. On Reddit, creators love it for brainstorming and quick notes, but a lot warn, don't trust it blindly. On Twitter, some people hype it up for generating ideas, but others say it gets repetitive or misses context. And on Trustpilot, it averages around 4-star. People like the integration with Notion, but accuracy isn't always spot on. Here's a quick Excel-style look at how it stacks up. So yeah, the truth is, Notion AI is great for notes, outlines, and idea generation, but don't go thinking it's your new ghostwriter. Treat it like a helper, not a replacement for actual thought. If this saved you from some frustration, hit like. And before you go, watch my next video where I discuss a comparison of new AI tools. Trust me, this comparison will blow your mind. Catch you there!